Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate consistent characters in Leonardo AI. Log in to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up first. Once logged in to your existing or new account, click on Image Generation. Now type in the character you want on your scene. You can be as detailed as you want so that you may get the exact character you have in mind. Once you're done, enable negative prompts. Negative prompts are the things you don't want to show up on your character. For example, I don't want any deformed body and extra body parts. Then you may now click on Generate. After generating, download the image and save it. Next, go back to the description prompt and then change the action of your character. Remember, you can't change it drastically or else you won't get a consistent result. And that's it. You have now generated consistent characters in Leonardo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!